Thank you for that question. As a starter, as someone who's doing this industry, syempre, I feel very grateful. First of all, to be part of this show called Viral. It's very exciting. It's a very exciting variety show project for TV Viral. And I'm also very happy and excited for yung mga artists natin, especially mga OPM artists. Kasi sila yung na-highlight ng variety show na to. And maliban na sa mga established artists, yung mga baguhan din sa mga gumagawa ng OPM music. It's a great opportunity for them to share their stories, through music, through performing, and this show is gonna have a lot of people, a lot of artists, and yun po ang abangan nyo na Easy Vibe. Yes po, for a variety show, yes po.
Ayun, ang sino yung mga nilook forward mo na stars na nag-invite or nag-interview sa
Interview, well, kasi lately, I've been listening to a lot of yung mga genre nila, Earl, nila Arthur, nila Anne. So, interesting siya if I'll be doing an interview with them together with mga jocks, mga co-jocks. And kasi yung nagawa ko sa last month is similar to that genre. So, it will be very interesting to interview those types of artists. But of course, lahat naman kasi open to interview varieties of genres, which is very interesting din sa lahat ng audience natin. Para at least they get some knowledge and wisdom about yung mga behind the scenes or processes nila as an artist. Okay. Well, kanya-kanya kasi kami, we all have different personalities. Lahat po kami, may kanya-kanyang kulit, lahat kami masayahin. So, as much as possible, siyempre, we want Vibe to be very energetic, playful, and, talagang maipakita namin yung mga personality ng bawat artist. So, ako siguro, be more, energetic and relatable sa audiences natin. Ayun po. Throwback pa tayo tungkol sa Pasko, So, okay, how can I relate to here? I guess back then I had the opportunity because of the fans who voted for me. But now, we're also going to give to the fans who will vote for their favorite OPM artists now, so they can be showcased to our show. At ipakita yung mga fans nila, just like the way I did before. So now it's giving them a new opportunity to showcase their talent and their music to our show. And I'm sure there's so many great OPM artists, especially mga bata ngayon, galing-galing nila, talino nila, sobrang talented nila, and then now this platform is for them. Tama naman. I guess, depende rin sa schedule ng mga artists who are available to come to our show. At kung sino man vibe job available din, we'll get a chance to perform with them, either through singing, dancing, or other form of performance talaga. So, again, it's a collaborative performance with them. It's a nice way to get to know and be with the artist.
And lastly, as a vibe job, what do you want to discover about yourself in entering this kind of job?
Para sa akin naman, this is a new experience for me, a total experience, is to be hosting among these maybe vibe jobs. Back then, I used to do it for online shows and stuff like that, but now it's going to be one of the biggest shows here at TV5, and I'm excited to do that with these guys right now.
Yeah. My questions, of course, is for Maxi. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and have. This is pretty big for a person like you, not just because you're representing, of course, a community, but you're also doing this. I mean, you're the first one to ever do this. No? Yung parang ganon. Does it make you more of have a responsibility na to represent it well, lalo na medyo kakaiba itong work na ginagawa na to?
I would feel like it's my responsibility. I feel like I'm more on proud na meron someone from my community to represent them. And I feel like sobrang bias, sobrang traditional vibe production. Meron silang include na someone from the community to represent the they represent the English city. Yeah.
What kind of host are you now that you're going to be part of this program? Of course. But are you going to be in drag like full time? Is that what's going to happen?
Sometimes not sometimes as
Ah.
sometimes may mga panahon kasi nagulog na talaga ako. Tulad ngayon, nagulog ako, dapat next week, pero may mga times ko na ako, depending sa program, depending sa way
For that specific day, parang gano'n. Alright. Thank you and congratulations again. Thank you.
Thank you, Mike Maxi. Next question. Anyone here?
Ay po ba yung tungkol sa ito? Well, comment regarding Vibe, yes, this year actually, for the 10 years anniversary of hashtag, we were launched sa Showtime, or MIT Lapita, 10 years ago. So, yes, me and Paolo, we have experience, along with Anna, of course, may experience with hosting Showtime online, handled by Circuit actually, of course. So, it's going to be a little similar, but Vibe is an entirely different beast. Iba siya sa nakasanayan natin before. Medyo nagpipili kami, oh guys, this is a bit more, a bit more upscale. This is a bit more social, Kasi syempre, ang dami natin guests, medyo mas esteem, medyo mas tayo, more artsy, more on the art side tayo. Not so much on the showbiz anymore, medyo more on that. I like that.
Yun, kahit pa paano naman, kahit sabi ka experience na rin talaga. Pero sa part ko naman, ang experience ko kasi before talaga, online hosting. So, itong live, different sa akin kasi first time ko mag-host like that. So, for sure naman magkakaroon sa exam, pero at least that, before the practice na rin namin kahit pa paano. And, work naman namin dito rin talaga, because mag-host to promote OBMR.
First time pala namin nalunod sa ang gaan yung ako na ma-archive ha? Ako lang. For me magaan, and I feel like yung dynamic namin talagang masaya. Alam mo yun, parang hindi mo nasisimula yung show, pero door na may mga kwentuhan, kulitan, may babaruan ng mga jokes, and yun na, hindi mo na-start yung show, what more, di ba? Pag nagsimula na yung vibe, so yun dapat yung mabaga. Bukod sa, of course, i-highlight namin yung focus, syempre, makikita ko yung finish ko namin personality nyo, pag sasama-samahin sa isang stage, and talagang sabog. Oo, magpapasabog lahat, and magpapasaya natin sa lahat.
I disagree with Anna.
Ay, gano'n, maraming kasama tayo.
If you want to sabihin,
Galing ko dun Sino ba, dynamics? Feel ko big factor dito mga bata pa kasi kami. We're all the same group, same age group somehow. Diba? Pagdating sa mga videoan, sa mga music, sa mga things, sa culture, we're all, we're all at the same level. We understand the jokes and stuff. Especially when it comes to music also, we like the same type of music. So I guess this is gonna show it to our show talaga at ipakita rin sa mga fans at sa mga manonood.
Well, sobrang happy. As in, figure action. What? What? Really? Very, very thankful. Commercial level. Commercial. Not just commercial. No, but seriously, very, very grateful for this opportunity. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, yung show na pinasama-sama lahat ng mga bagay na talagang love talagang gawin. Talagang very passionate ako. Performing, singing, of course, and music, and of course, hosting. Pagkakasaya ng mga kapatid natin, pinagsama-sama sa isang show. And this is a fan-powered show. So, ako, I love interacting sa mga fans and supporters because sila napakahalaga nila sa atin. And isa sila sa mga talagang instruments na, alam mo yun, tumutulong para ipagpatuloy natin yung entertainment, syempre. So, for me, lahat ng yun, talagang sobrang na-excite mo kasi lahat pinagsama-sama talaga dito sa show na to. That's why this is the hottest music countdown show in Bansa.
Ako pala. Ano pala ako? Of course, I'm really grateful kagaya ko na sinabi ni Adriana, and I'm so happy. But at the same time, meron po sa akin pressure. Kasi syempre, bilang isang host, nabigyan din kami ng responsibility. So, ayun po, but I guess, hindi naman ito binigay sa akin ni Lord kung hindi ko kakayanin, kung hindi ko rin gagawin ang best ko. So, yeah, I'm grateful. And at the same time, siguro masasabi ko rin na happy din ako kasi ngayon may connection with the fans.
What did you do?
Eh, yun din po talaga yung gusto ko na, connected with the fans. So, yeah, thank you po.
Ano ba yun?
Same po, yung same na sinabi. Pero yeah, sobrang sayo nung una kong panahon na maging part of it. Kasi actually meron po ako podcast before. So parang in-way yung sa talent ko na pwede pala ako mag-host. So nung nalaman ko na okay pa, sobrang fan ko kasi pinagawa ng music. Kasi tayo na yung local music natin. Actually recently, na pumunta kami sa mga events nila. Pinukwento ko yung idea ng live para at least malaman nila na may ganito ng platform. Lalo na ngayon sobrang lakas ng platform community. So siguro kailangan ng ganito ng platform para mabigyan sila ng opportunity. Ayun, sabi ko nga rin sa mga before, bring up ko eh. Kasi growing up, napapanood natin yung full time. Ako, napapanood yung full time. Ito, napapanood ko natin before. Pero, ay kasi kayo ang moji ng mga ano eh, diba? So, yung kasi partner ng show na kasama yung mga hashtag, mga kaibigan na host natin. Sobrang sa parangalan. And wait na magawa natin ibang mga segments natin, mapakilala yung story ng lukat natin natin. And then, sana sunod ko yun.
Ina Rose, gusto mo sa nanay ko, sinawa na yung mamanta. Siguro po, I do feel pressure and I can't feel any pressure right now. Parehas yun. Siguro kasi, okay, because you know, like a fan and everybody here is a genius in their own field. Lahat sila established sa kanilang mga careers, diba? Every single one of them. And it's an honor na makasama ko sila and na-consider ako sa lineup na ito. And I don't feel pressure at the same time because parang sinabi ni Ana, pinagsama sa akin lahat ng mga passions sa isang project. Everything that I love to do, but even sa mga nag-aaway sa harapan ko, mga nagsusubukan, ginagawa lagi ko. And it's here. So I'm very happy, I'm very thankful sa Empress at TV5, Sir Pete especially. Thank you so much. And to you, Tita Rose. Thank you so much.
Last question is don't like I think what separates us is it's parang bagong-bago, it's a countdown and it's focused on music, especially the opening music. So these are highlights, the artists of the Filipino artists, and yung mga composers, musicians, and then having inclusivity, like any genre, any form of aspect, any form of science, and any form, any gender, or anybody can perform and very best about. See, zero
Okay, tawa naman sinabi rin si Maxi. Ano pa ba? But also sa breakfast is that we Von Jobs will also be informed with open Mars. That
Kakanta ka, Ryle.
So, later nyo lang yan dito sa amin sa bahay.
Every week may performance, may voting, may power ng mga Mars na voting tayo
Maganda din po kasi may connection with the fans. So, yung power ng fans natin, so, kakaiba itong vibe. Kasi, nasa sa fans yung power, kung sino yung so, ayun na naman.
And also, kasi diba, yung mga drums sila, and kami sa mga host, they were
will mostly be live. As in real time lahat halos na mapapanood natin here. Kaya lang sila yung nag-uuma. Nakinig ko sa briefing. Kahit late na pala. But yes, majority of what you see on TV and online will be 100% live.
Wow. Kaya ha?
Sabi na po nila. Ayun, actually halos nasabi na po lahat eh. Pero siguro abang-abang din po yung... Ako excited din ako makakita pag nandun na yung audience eh. Nandun na yung mga fans. Paano sila mag-react pag nandun na yung mga idols nila. Ano yung mga pwedeng pag-usapan. Ayun, sino mag-aaway? Gano'n. Ayun po. Nasa issue pa na agad na.
Ay talaga, alam mo, hindi mo pwede sabihin na baka mamaya ma-overshare ako. Pero meron naman, meron yung mga votings, text votings tayo para sa ating lahat. So, meron yung mga pinalabasihan kung saan po pwede mag-text yung mga fans para po sila ay makaboto. Sorry.
Hindi ako makasandal. Parang hindi ko matatawa.
Every Sunday po, siyempre, buo kami every Sunday or every weekday, sa doon Sabado or Linggo. Every Sunday, buo kami live ang mga vibe vlogs. And every day, meron pong vibe live na iikot sa amin. Hindi ko alam kung kayo share yung ngayon. Pero iikot po yun sa amin. Iikot po sa amin. Every day, may vibe vlogs na post. Makikita sa mga parents. And syempre, every day may vote.
Basically, mapapanood niyo po ang viral from Monday to Sunday.
24/7.
Yeah, so meron tayong tinatawag na vibe up and vibe night. So as you can see sa likod natin, ayan. So sa vibe night, mas maraming interaction tayo sa ating mga fans, sa mga supporters. So that's from 11:30 to 12 midnight. And then for our vibe up, yun naman siya from, I guess 4:45 to 5:30, yes. So yun yung oras natin from Monday to Friday. So dito mangyayari ang mga countdown, mga updates, mga voting, yung mga proseso kung paano mag-vote, yung mga fans. So nandiyan, and of course may mga interaction, hindi meron tayo mga guests, mga artists, ganyan. So mas lalo pa natin silang makikilala. And then, every Saturday, meron tayong vibe TV. Yeah, oo. So, andyan yung mga reminders din again kung paano kayo makakapag-vote. Kasi there are 3 ways to vote, which malalaman nyo yung full details very, very soon. And then, every Sunday, we have our Vibe Cafe naman. So here, it's like an online show kung saan marami tayo dito mga ipapagdang mga special guests. Yung mas malalim na detalye and interview ng mga artists, dito mas lalim makikilala. And of course, our main event every Sunday, ang mismong vibe, kung saan mapapanood nyo kami. And sa mismong vibe kasi, we have 3 segments here. No?
Ayaw ko sa inyo. Yes,
we have 3 segments. And experience. Yes, we have our OG. Of course, if you fit natin sa mga original natin, kumbaga yung talaga nga nag-establish ng music and talaga mga nilong out na natin po. And then of course, we have our rising stars. Alam naman natin kung gaano karami mga talented na Pinoy kahit sa mga sulot ng Pilipinas, and this is the perfect time na mabigyan sila ng spotlight. So meron din kakayahan and power yung ating mga fans na iboto or i-mention sa amin kung sino nga ba yung preserving ng mga rising stars na pwede natin na i-feature sa vibe. And of course, yung mga hit songs, iconic OPM tracks, dito nyo makikita talaga. Very exciting with mga live performances. So basically, it's from Monday to Sunday, good vibes, good music. Yan ang handle namin, sir.
Wow!
Good music. May short ko, makiulit ko from the top.
Next question, hello po, good day. I'm Carlos from Kapatid Insider. Unang question, question po what is the reason kung bakit Vibe ang napili yung title for this music?
producer ko. Sila, 13 bakit daw mo?
Every week ba yung vibe?
Yes. Every 5
I think naisip ng production ng vibe ng music, ay vibe ng title ng song kasi music it has different vibes. And of course, every music is a representation, every music has a story. Siyempre, iba-iba yung vibe natin, minsan sad tayo, minsan happy tayo, minsan sabog, minsan hindi. So, magandang title na rin yung music ko. Sobrang kaino!
Then, next question po. How do you feel na finally meron na tayong platform para mabigyan ng spotlight sa mga OPM and K-pop artists? 2024 po.
We feel great. Diba? Kasi yung iba din sa atin comes from a music background, diba? Or naranasan mo lang yun. Now, to have a dedicated place just for that, it's going to change the game dahil alam na kung saan lalabas si ganito, si upcoming group, si established group, si upcoming artists. They all have a place now. Parang never movie ng music nila, ang vibe. And that's what we need to do to help everybody in the OPM industry.
And the revolution of OPM music. And malagdag ko lang na sobrang dami natin magaling na mga composer, na musician, na singer, na kulang sa platform. And I think this is the best platform para sa ating mga musician and composer, sa ating mga artists. Kasi this is parang, ako, as myself, parang ako hindi ko alam kung saan mag-perform, kung saan mag-promote ng halimalagay na song ko. So, pero na ako ngayon na ba, yun na mapapapromote ko, di ba? And I'm very, very excited to everyone, sa lahat ng ating mga co-artists, lahat ng artists na may pakita nila yung galing nila sa pagkanta, yung galing nila sa pag-compose, yung galing nila sa pag-perform. Thank you, Lord.
Yes, I'd like to add din, no, because of course, I mentioned earlier na talagang this is a great platform, no, because it's also an giving back sa mga fans and supporters natin. And nandiyan talaga, nagsisimula pa lang ang isang artist hanggang sa na-establish siya. So I think deserve din ng mga fans na magkaroon ng desisyon and power, di ba? Na sino nga ba ang karapat-dapat na makita sa five stage at sino nga ba ang karapat-dapat na mabigyan ng opportunity. So, ito yung context talaga because, as I mentioned, this is an ultimate talagang fan-powered show. So, maganda na meron tayo ganitong platform na important yung mga taong tumulong, no? Para umangat yung mga artists.
Correct, kaya pa, gold, gold, di ba? Bye, gold.
Ang batay natin.
That's something and congratulations sa inyo. I'm looking forward from the very beginning. Thank you.
Yes, para din maayos ng issue sa Diyosa. Gusto mo ako lang sa Discovery. Discovery is one of the best composer and recording artist in the Philippines. So, want to collaborate. Pag-usapan natin ng mga bagay natin, no? Yes. Discovery, and of course, this Regine Velasquez. The one and only the original song. Yes, para magpagaling pa kami sa mga. Mas tayo na ako mag-edit. Ikaw?
Ako, kasi palagi, well, Don background, kasi Don palagi sa mga call shows kasi palagi pinakanta natin, Mr. Tito. So, sabi ko, why not si Miss Rachel an example na? Huwag na ron, guys. Abangan nyo na lang sa vibe, yung performance. Pero ayun, I'm hoping na sana makakolab ko si Miss Rachel Alejandro while singing Mr. Tito. Ayun na naman. Grabe, talagang ngayon, kasi talaga ngayon, mag-yun.
Ako siguro personally, dalawa choices. First is si Arthur Neri, kasi nung pandemic, siya lagi pinapakinggan ko. Isa siya sa mga inspirations kung bakit ko nahihigan kumanta. Kasi naging passion ko din talaga kumanta. Because of this, he was one of the factors. And siguro din si Sir Gary V. Sobrang, he's a great performer. I've heard him sing and perform. And for sure, madami siyang may inspire ng mga whether established, upcoming, or rising stars, musicians, sobrang ang dami niya matutunan sa kanya. His wisdom, knowledge, and his craft with music and OPM. Grabe, he's an idol of that.
Ako naman, naisip ko agad si Jeremy Quinoga from Pangosya. He's a great producer. He recently released a couple of songs. And he's also producing for a lot of artists right now sa music industry natin. So I'm excited to hopefully be able to perform with him in Sabay.
Ako po siguro si Kids po kasi hindi joke lang po siya yung song ko lang siguro si Floji. Floji kasi sobrang ganda na rap song. So hindi kaya lang siya gusto ko parang patulong ko sa kanya. Pero si Floji po kasi sobrang ganda na song siya. So yung mga kanta niya pwede ko i-rap, pwede ko sayawin. So yun.
Ako actually Floji eh. Pero stick na lang, dalawa na lang, kapri. Si Floji, stick ka, tsaka Godfish, mga local rap artist natin. Dito sila or sila. Kaya sila gusto kasi lagi ako nakikinig talaga ng music ni Floji. Lalo na sa umaga, pampakain, pag-listening stop, G-Wolf. Pero yan, yun. So, sobrang excited din ako siya.
Ako, for a stage, I've been a fan for such a long time to the point na nagka-crush ako sa bahay ni Caster paminsan. So, for a stage.
For a spades.
Check yung social media ko, yung accounts ko, sobrang fan. Funny talaga ako ng isang Sarah G. So, it's a dream come true kung nangyayari yun, no? And wala, sobrang epic lang yung moment kung mangyayari. So, it will always be Sarah G. Dream ko mga ako lang. Diba? Ang dami natin yung idolo ng mga foreign singers, mga group, of course, and as a labas ko. I think, ang gusto namin is, of course, malakas na yung OPM, mas lalo pa natin palalakasin. And yun nga, mahalin natin yung sarili natin. Kasi kung kikita nyo lang, sobrang daming magagaling na mga artists dito sa Pilipinas. So bago ka lumabas, diba, appreciate muna natin kung ano yung meron tayo at yung sarili natin.
Ang ganda ng vibe dito, grabe. Are you excited? Yeah! Sasayawan tayo. Siyempre pag may music, merong sayawan. At alam ko excited na ang mga fans ninyo na makita pa kung ano yung mga hindi pa ninyo napapakita sa TV. So, this is it po. Mag-start na po ang vibe. At makikita nyo po ang kanilang mga performance. Let's go! Thank you!